someone back here, I think, hunting or something. We gotta get the fuck out of here now.
Yeah, I probably should have tied that down. See right out to the road there.
Yeah, no shit. Oh.
Off-roading the dang brand new SUV. On this thing coming down, pulled the dang engine doors out of it. So we can fill the container full of old glass bottles. Same with over here. Clean up the woods, assholes! Alright, so we're in Mike's new 7.3. How's it driving? Like a boat truck.
Oh!
Got a little stuck. Seriously, man? Why do you have that on the back of your... What the...
Get out of my face! Oh! Alright! Oh man, this is... Gotta go to... What you're doing back there, we gotta go. Wait, after this song. Isn't that the song that goes, the asphalt?
I don't know. Rock asphalt.
Oh no, it's the asphalt.
No.
Alright, we are, oh no, off-roading the truck right now. Kayak's in the back of the bed, check that out. Oh man, I guess I could probably, well, there's a gate there. Haven't been here in a long time, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, yeah, I've cut, well actually no, I've driven back here before and I didn't get this far because there was a log, but now it seems okay. What should I do next? Haven't off-roaded here in a while. Oh! Dang it! Didn't expect that. Just picked up all this trash out of here. Haven't off-roaded here in a bit. Look at all this stuff that I just got. Dang piece of styrofoam needs to go in there, you little run. Oh! Tarzan, my freaking uncle! Look at this! Oh! Dang nabbit. Far away from home, we're out here and I'm picking up all this crap. Give me a break, varmin! Whoa! Ay, ay, ay! Oh yeah! Starting a new business! Get me out of here, wise guy! And that was new waters, so that's the result of that. Now we're off-roading the cam. Oh! What's wrong with you? I want to show you guys what we got in these boxes out here.
Here we go. Arrived by mail pigeon, my brand new cell phone upgrade for the rest of my life.
First things first. There it is. So we got some, let me pull these out of the freaking bag. See it right there, there's a part of it. We got Moog upper control arms. Factory ones aren't serviceable, but these are. That there. And then the second thing, grand part, full gloss black rear shocks for the truck. These are gonna look better because I coated those about 1 billion times with rattle cans. Metal decals on them, but I took a blowtorch too and had to rip those suckers off there, you know?
Oh, hello, exquisite. Talk about my business, shall we? Buying a state-of-the-art car such as this will save you quite the coin.
Powerstroke! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Back here in the back of the truck we're gonna get to today. This muffler right here, and it's super freaking rotten. It leaks in 3 different places. It's been that way for years, and somehow it passes all the requirement for public road. So we're gonna get that thing hacked off because it's just so rotten, and I hate it. It's rust. The rust is gonna transfer its way to the frame, and then the body of the truck, and then the tetanus is gonna enter my body. I should straight pipe weld it or something, and just put the full freaking glass pack. You kidding me? I'm gonna put a glass pack or a straight pipe roll like that for a while. I'm gonna attempt to get these hangers out later, but it's good to just soak them on in. Right under here. Oh. Ah. I'm gonna try to hack that sucker out of there, you know, to hack it off while it's hot.
What'd you say? You.
By hand.
Oh, holy shite, man. Sweating my arm hairs off. Oh my.
You halfway through yet? Is this a bag of trash?
Oh, no. Get driving somewhere now, Eugene. Oh my. Oh, my whole life is flashing before my eyes.
Finally made it into town. It's freezing as fuck out here.
You're a college student and you need one.
I'd say we're lucky.
Scale of these. They were rolling coal before rolling coal was even a terminology.
Good, great, baddie on these. Alright, so here's the underneath my tRUCK. If I didn't give you the details, we got a Fullmaster Super 40 series in here that I've had since, I don't know, 5 years. And the mufflers are rated for 5 to 7 years. Exhaust leaks on the whole pipe. And we also coated my drive shaft. Wait, it's all going in my frickin' barbecue sauce. Why don't I have electricity? Who stopped the rain? Dang. 1889 all over again. Oh man. Really right there. Stalagmite. There it is. Smaller muffler on this side, so they had to use the smaller pipes. The truck's been restricted for a long time, but then again, the muffler is smaller than stock. It's really rusty here. I'm thinking it'll cut easy, but we'll see. We'll see. Cut off at this point. Let's go. Oh, the tetanus on me. Gotta be kidding me. How is this possible? Oh, I got my...
Hey, yo. Where were you, man? I just wanted to...
I'm alive? I'm alive! Scream into this and muffle it. Oh! Oh. Calling in reinforcements.
Water. Derek, come here.
Oh. Mike Stet, say hi, Taylor. Nah, 5S. I mean, iPhone 11 straight into the. iPhone 11 straight into the water.
Hold over.
Dang it!
On that screwdriver.
Captain Redbeard. What is that saying? Captain Genius or whatever? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
What is it? The saying?
Captain Obvious.
Why do people say that? Should have used some chicken fat. Ooh. Fucking rubber things had nothing on me. 3-inch pipe is about to be 7-inch pipe. I have anything to do with it. Alright, now to the back one. I'll probably get it from here. Fucking rust. Get the fuck off. It's falling off and everything. We don't get this, I'm sleeping here. Oh, there we go. Is that so hard? Dang it.
Lookity look. Look what we have here.
Oh.
There it is. Answered all the troubles right there. Look at that. For a gas, that is, oh, large exhaust tip. Look at that thing. That's awesome. It's all sooty like a diesel too. 5-year-old Flowmaster. Gets louder when it's cold and after some age to it. But nowhere near like a Super 10.
Crack the freaking glass. Alright, here we go. First start off with the new straight pipe exhaust. We'll see how that sounds. And by straight pipe, I mean exhaust. There's only half of it going.
50,000 people. Team deathmatch.
It's a lot louder than before. Let's see how it sounds. Oh yeah! Dude, I just tapped it. That wasn't even anything. Talking about. Better than expected. Oh, got it.
True. Yeah! Let some horses sing!
Hearing it in the cab now, you can tell it's a lot louder. You know, no need to pay for, what is it, like $700 for an exhaust kit? Pipe in there for $20 and just clamp it in. You don't even need a welder. You don't have half the exhaust, and man, it sounds awesome. It sounds a lot louder than before, and the tone is deeper, which surprised me because I thought when you throw a muffler on it makes it deeper too, but maybe not. More ingenuity.
Get out of here!
Sorry about that one. My window was up. I didn't mean to yell that loudly.
Precisely.
There's a spring back on that gravel road, and someone dumped a bunch of blankets and plastic blinds and stuff. I don't know when this was. It was cold out. I had to pull all that stuff out of the spring and then take it to somewhere to dispose of it.